Okay, do you watch my sweet mobster? Okay, so Eun Ha's makeup is always very natural, very sweet, very sparkly as described by mobster. Okay, so we're gonna create this look today. So if you want to create Eun Ha's face flawless makeup, right, we're going to use Mistine liquid foundation. This one is the Radiance liquid foundation. As I mentioned earlier, this is made of ultra fine powder, then they crush together with 7 gemstones if I'm not wrong, and then they give you this very nice flawless look. So I'm going to do half the face and show it to you. Okay, when you apply foundation, move downwards. I actually used this foundation yesterday and you can see that it actually covers very well. You don't need concealer or even highlighter. Yeah, so if you have acne scars or you have fine lines and wrinkles, you will love this one. And it makes your makeup much more long lasting. It actually helps to absorb oil as well. So if you have combination to oily skin, you will surely love this one. Concealer, you can conceal the dark circles and you can even conceal the laughing lines like this, lighten the laughing lines and blend it. You know, the concealer, right, I felt that it is very designer worthy, okay guys? It's very similar to the highlighter that I have. The Y brand one. Okay. So Eun Ha's makeup is quite matte, so I'm gonna powder it up. So for Eun Ha, right, I realized that she's a very basic girl, so she didn't put much eyeshadow. Okay, but she did put a little bit of eyeliner. So let me put a little bit of eyeliner. So I'm using Mistine eyeliner. Just move. But I noticed that she did put a bit of contour. So let's do a bit of contouring, just very light one. Okay, her face shape is like apple shape, so she did do a bit of contouring. This contouring, right, by far is the best, you know. It actually gives you that dark. It gives you that natural darkness for fair skin like us. So you can see it looks sharper right now. Same for here actually. So just draw like that and downwards if you have round face like Eun Ha. Okay, Eun Ha definitely did a bit of highlighting as well. Okay, let's do a bit of highlighting. So in this show, she's using a pink lipstick. I'm using Mistine Lip Gloss SO2. Later, I'm going to use tissue to dab it away to make it look matte. So I hope that you love this video and follow me for more K-drama makeup style. I'll see you all soon in my next video.